In this tutorial, we will guide you on how to open Microsoft Access files in OpenOffice. Over here, we have created a simple database file in Access with the .accdb extension. OpenOffice doesn't recognize the .accdb extension, so we will have to open up the ODBC Data Source Administrator window first. For that, press the WinR key to open up the Run command, and over here, type in ODBC AD32. This will open up the ODBC Data Source Administrator window. Over here, move to the System DNS tab, and then click on the Add button. Scroll down and select the Microsoft Access Driver option. With that done, simply click on the Finish button. This will open up the ODBC Microsoft Access Setup window. Over here, click on the Select button. Now we will locate the database file which we created earlier. Once done, simply click on it. With that done, you will be taken back to the previous window, and over here, simply type the name in the Data Source Name field and click on OK. With that done, let's open up OpenOffice, and in the main screen over here, click on the Database option. Now the OpenOffice Database Wizard window will open up. Over here, choose the Connect to an Existing Database option, and from the drop-down menu, select the ODBC option. With that done, you can move on to the next step. Over here, click on Browse and select the database you want to work on. With that done, simply click on Finish, and you will be prompted to save the database in the OpenOffice extension. With that done, the Microsoft Access file will open up in OpenOffice. And that's it.